Today, we will prepare a delicious rice pudding and get to work. In a pot we will add 4 cups of water, cinnamon and cloves, and add a little orange zest. Let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes and remove the cinnamon and cloves so as not to find them while we eat. And we remove it carefully. And we add 1.5 cups of previously washed rice only once, and we add very carefully. Now we will lower the fire so that this rice cooks little by little until it dries. And once it starts to boil like this, we will cover and leave it until this dries and the rice is well cooked. After 10 to 12 minutes, that rice is already ready. Remember to cook over low heat. And we will add condensed milk, which often replaces sugar, but it gives it a good flavor and creaminess. We stir the rice very well with the condensed milk, trying not to mistreat the rice so much. We will add 600 milliliters of evaporated milk. That will give the flavor and ease of your rice pudding. I particularly like that it is not so loose. And we will add our raisins at the end, so that they do not stain the rice and the raisins do not fall apart. We add vanilla essence. Hey, are you going to add sugar? If you don't have enough money for condensed milk, don't worry. Add a little sugar, and if you like it a little sweeter, add more. No problem. Do we add salt? Of course, yes. Salt enhances sweets very well, but in this case we add butter. The butter provides that touch of salt and gives it creaminess and delicious aroma. Dancing. We are happy because we are preparing a delicious Peruvian dessert. It looks very creamy, right? Now let's go and serve this delicious dessert. Remember to always cover the pot, and as a precaution use rags to hold the pot. You have to make the recipe at home, yes or yes, with its very creamy raisins and its cinnamon powder. That will give it the final touch. We serve dessert on a plate or in a glass. We can even do a business.